The purpose of this video is to give you an overview of the logo project. The objective is to create a logo for the restaurant that you were assigned and that you also personally modified. The steps: first write the creative brief so you really understand what the logo and the rest of the design items for the restaurant should look like. A lot of research always helps. Understand the basics of logo design, which will be one of the things that should be assigned to you right now via handout. Maybe even last week you were assigned the GFC video on branding, and then I also have some instructional videos that mostly break down the handout. So over the next couple of weeks you will be breaking your ideas down into 2 to 4 thumbnail sketches of the logo. Then eventually you'll start working in Illustrator, and then you will complete and present the logo. A couple words about the presentation itself. The logo will be presented on 8.5 by 11-inch paper as follow. The logo will be shown full size near the top of the page, and the logo will be shown small near the bottom of the page. Now, how big is the full size and how small is the small size supposed to be? I'll show you some examples of past student work, and then I will go over this a little bit more, but then there will also be a video as you get closer to doing that in Illustrator. But let's just take a quick look at some past student work. So you can see all of these have a big version and a small version on it, and how small the small version is will depend. And the big version, we're always looking for plenty of white space. And you can see that in my instructions I said top and bottom, but there's a couple examples here where the student went with left and right, which is totally fine as well. Take the time to read through this just so you get an idea of what you'll be working towards. However, as mentioned, I will make a separate video that will cover that. And then when you are ready to turn in the assignment, just look in Canvas and see what applies to you, whether it's a video, it's not a video, but a digital turn-in, meaning probably just the Illustrator file, or are you going to be printing it and mounting it on Blackboard? And then of course you have the example of past student work. Now what you're looking at in here may change by the time you watch this video. I may catch a mistake or two. Also, you may be at a different college. So anyway, it's just meant to be an overview of what you're going to do in the project, because the overall will not change. And then do yourself a favor, and as always, look at the rubric, which may change slightly by the time you're watching this video. But it really helps for you to know what things I will be looking at, helps you just know what things to really pay attention to on the handout and the videos and so on. But there you go. There's your overview of what you'll be doing for the next couple weeks in this class.